guys, it's Bushcraft Family. Doing an entry video for Survival Seeds 2025, the second year. Man, it doesn't seem like it wasn't that long ago when we were going over what we were planning this year, or last year rather. We were talking about the seeds, the 6 seeds that we're doing. Big difference. Now we're on the second year, and this year we get to pick a 7 seed. And a lot of people went with corn, but I planted corn last year, and it did great. Oh man, I had nice big corn cobs and super sweet corn. Oh, it is good stuff. I wish I could have had a whole field full of it, but I tested it out in a 4x4 raised bed, and I planted Kentucky Wonders, green beans, and banana nut squash, and all 3 of them thrived together. I'm amazed how well that little space grew all 3 things very well. Now, it's nothing like I'd have to put up for a year or anything like that. The green beans fed us 3 or 4 or 5, 6 meals, whatever the case may be. Butternut squash, we had a couple here and there. We had some for Thanksgiving. The corn didn't last very long at all. It got ate up quick, which it usually does. But this year, I think I'm going to do okra. Why am I saying acorn squash? Okra. Yes. And a lot of people are like, especially up north, what the heck's an okra? And they'll look at my plants and what is that thing growing? Is it some alien vegetation or something? No, it's okra. What's an okra? Yeah, the people up north don't understand what okra is. If you're down south, everybody knows what it is. A lot of people put it in their soups and stuff. I don't like it in the soup. I don't know what it is. I mean, I'll eat it, but it kind of gets slimy. So I like to cut it up and batter it, deep fry it. Also, you can pickle it. Pickling usually works pretty good. I like a little spice in my pickling for okra itself. Seems like it's a lot better. As far as the new seeds, I'm all for it. I don't care. As long as it's something, I'll grow it. Right now, until they change it, I'm still in 6B as my growing zone. Sometimes we go as far as middle of May. I've actually went into June before I got my tomato plants out. Imagine that, yeah. I know it's some people further north, it takes longer for them to get theirs out. So, and there's not much difference in where I'm at, maybe 50 miles to where people will put theirs out 3 weeks, a month before I can put mine out. It's just that past the river, I guess, is prone to frost and whatnot. But right now I am in my grow room and getting my soil ready for plants. Right now I'm not going to be planting anything for outside. This stuff I'm going to be planting for in the house. So yeah, this is stuff that I'll be planting inside the house. I am going to be planting some lemon balm in the house. That way I can have some fresh lemon balm beforehand, because I want to be making some other stuff with it. Also, the hyssop, I want to get that started ahead of time. It will possibly go outside, depending on how big I get the plant. Because it needs a little bit more TLC to get it really strong. Last year, my lemon balm, I always say I don't think my lemon balm is going to come back again, but it's a weed. It comes back like crazy. But anyways, this is my entry video. And if anybody else is out there interested in joining this collab, there are prizes every week. There are huge prizes at the end of every month, and it goes on all the way up into October. So that's a lot of prizes. And if you don't even grow anything or do anything like that, if you leave comments on the videos that are tagged with hashtag survival seeds 2025, you're already in the drawing to get prizes. So you want to pay attention to these things. Like if one of my videos are picked and somebody leaves a comment on it and they win, I'll leave a message for that person on the next video. So not only do you win a prize, you even get a shout out. How about that? But anyways, guys, I think that's about it. Gotta have that water, especially in this room. It's so hot. And yes, I know it's a pink room. This was, yeah, it's a work in order. I've got a lot of work to do in this place, but right now I'm just using it as a grow room. Until next time, guys, like always, God bless.